Conversion of units of length. We are now going to use the English system of measurement for converting units of length. And we have here some equivalents. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. And 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards or equal to 5,280 feet. Now we have here an example. Convert 72 inches to feet. So we need first to look at the English system of measurement values if what conversion we are going to use. So since this is inches to feet, we are going to use 1 foot equal to 7 inches. Okay, let us now solve. So we have here 72 inches and then multiply this. We are going to put here a fraction. So there will be a numerator and a denominator. Now what are we going to put in the numerator and the denominator? We are going to put here the equivalent, 1 foot and 12 inches. Now since we are converting inches to feet and we have here inches, so in order to cancel out, we have to cancel out inches. So in order to cancel out inches, we need to put 12 inches on the denominator. So now that we have put here 12 inches on the denominator, 1 foot will be on the numerator. And we can now cancel out inches. So inches divided by inches, we can cancel this out. What's left now will be the unit of foot. And then if we multiply, we have here 72 multiplied by 1. And do not forget our unit, which is foot. And then this will be divided by 12. 72 multiplied by 1 is 72. And 72 divided by 12, this is equal to 6. And since this is more than 1, our unit now will be in feet. So 72 inches is equivalent to 6 feet. And this is our final answer. Let us now convert 90 inches to feet. Okay. We have here 90 inches. And we will multiply this by the equivalent of inches to feet. And we are going to use this. 1 foot equals to 12 inches. This will be a fraction. And for the denominator, since we need to cancel out inches, we are going to put here 12 inches on the denominator side. 12 inches on the denominator. 12 inches on the denominator. And for the numerator, this will be 1 foot. Inches divided by inches, we can cancel this out. What's left now for the unit will be foot. And we can multiply. We have here 90 multiplied by 1 foot. And this will be divided by 12. 90 multiplied by 1 is 90. And 90 divided by 12, this will give us 7.5. 90 inches is equal to 7.5 feet. And this is our final answer. 3 miles. There are no equivalents here to convert directly miles to inches. What we need to do is that we will use this one, mile to feet. We are going to use 1 mile equals to 5,280 feet. Okay, let's convert this. Multiply this, and we will have here the fraction. And the numerator and the denominator will be 1 mile and 5,280 feet. Now, since we need to cancel out miles, we will put here 1 mile on the denominator side. Again, 1 mile will be on the denominator. And 5,280 feet will be on the numerator. We can now cancel out the miles or the miles divided by mile. We can cancel that out. What's left for our unit is feet. But this is not our final unit. We need to convert feet to inches. What we need to do is that we are going to multiply again, and we will put another fraction. And we are going to put here the equivalent of 1 foot, that is equal to 12 inches. Since this is feet, we will put on the denominator 1 foot. And for the numerator, this will be 12 inches. Okay, so we can cancel out feet here. Feet divided by foot, this will be cancelled out. And finally, our unit left is the inches. We can then multiply. We have here 3 multiplied by 5,280 multiplied by 12. Our unit is inches. And then divide this by 1 multiplied by 1. This is understood that our denominator here is 1. 190,080 inches. Therefore, 3 miles is equal to 190,080 inches. And this is our final answer.